Hi everybody, I'm Lance Porter, and in this video lesson I want to teach you the meaning of a famous English language idiom or expression that's "It's raining cats and dogs." It's raining cats and dogs. What does that mean? Well, first of all, it's raining means it's raining. See the umbrellas? It's raining. This picture also shows rain. It's raining. And this picture shows some little kids out in the rain. It's raining. Now, this is a cat. This is a dog. So when we say it's raining cats and dogs, do we really mean that cats and dogs are falling out of the sky? No. What we mean is that it's raining very hard. It is a downpour. It is a deluge. It's raining really, really hard. So in this picture, is it raining cats and dogs? No. It's raining, yes, but it's not raining that hard. It's not a downpour. It's just a light rain. So it's not raining cats and dogs. In this picture, is it raining cats and dogs? No. It's raining, but it's not raining that hard. It's not coming down in buckets. It's raining, but it's not raining cats and dogs. So we only say it's raining cats and dogs when it is really raining hard, when the rain is very heavy. So, I'll show you this chart. So this is rain. You can see the raindrops. See the raindrops falling out of the rain cloud. This is also rain. That's a little harder, but it's still not raining cats and dogs. Now this one in the middle, do you see that? That is raining cats and dogs. Oh my gosh, it's raining cats and dogs. Get inside. I'm soaked to the skin already. It's raining cats and dogs. And that's what we mean when we say it's raining cats and dogs.